How to change default browser on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Go to Default Apps at the top. On this page, you can manage your default apps for iPhone, including choosing the apps you prefer to use for opening links on the web, sending emails, making contactless payments, and more. Here, go to Browser app. You can view or change your default browser app from here. As you can see, your current default browser is Safari. If you want to change it, then select Chrome. From now on, Chrome will be used to open links and browse the web. Following these steps, you can easily change default browser on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.